What's up, guys? This is Mark here at Wired Customs Motorsports. We have a 2011 Harley Davidson Streetglide here. We actually did this install about a year ago, and the customer is back to us to add lids. We will use the PPI cut-in kit, and we will also use the Cicadia Horn i9s, the 2 ohm version. That way he can get more power to them than our other options that we have been using for quite a while, which is also a great option as well. Diamond audio Hertz and Cicadia is what we use on all of our Harleys here, and for the amplification we use Sound Digital products. You can tell that we did this bike a long time ago because it has Matt's Pro Audio in the rear of this Harley. We don't really use Matt's Pro Audio anymore. So if you guys have any questions, please reach out. WiredCustomsMotorsports.com.